Oh, when you see me like this, you know what's coming, right? This will be no genteel discovery of some obscure little haiku application. Today, we're having a rant. Okay, not a very big rant, but still. Recently, I needed to take apart an old BOS application, and I was wondering what's in here anyway. You know what I found? I found a README file. Okay, we've all seen README files, but it was written with styled edit. And it had different fonts, it had headings, it had bold, color. And what else did I find? A person file. You know, the People app. And so the author of that app had put in a little person file so that you could contact them. And I remember from the BOS days, that was pretty normal. And then I started wondering, how did we lose that? Because we have lost it. Nowadays, all our documentation is in Markdown. And maybe they converted it to HTML. And that's fine, it works. And I do this myself. I'm as guilty as anybody. But still, in those old days, people were actually supporting haiku file formats, or BOS file formats as they were at the time. And I think this is something that we should pick up again. Something we should start thinking, should we do our README in styled edit and, format it nicely in styled edit? Because then immediately you show your user something that the system is capable of, that other systems are not. So styled edit produces perfectly readable text files in other text editors, but you open it in styled edit and there you are, beautiful, nicely formatted README files. And again, if you put in a person file for yourself, then you're supporting a native file format. So it's not just about using native apps. I think it's also about using native file formats. And I wonder how far we can take this. If you have to have illustrations, how about using a Wonderbrush format, or maybe Art Paint. It's a bit trickier because the application has to come with a default haiku. So now you have to set it up as a dependency. But even so, let's all just think about this. How can we support native haiku file formats? Okay, rant over. I'm now going to continue to do the regular episode for the day. See you then.